In this video, I'll show you how to add HTML code in ConvertKit landing page. First of all, go to the Grow tab and select Landing Pages and Forms. You can choose to edit an existing landing page or create a new one. For this tutorial, we will create a new landing page, so click on Create New. After that, select Landing Page and pick a template that fits your needs, then click Choose to open it in the editor. Once you're in the landing page design editor, hover over the area where you want to add your HTML code. You'll see a plus icon appear. Click on it to open the list of blocks, and scroll down to select the HTML block. The HTML block will now be added to your page. After that, click on the Edit button in the HTML block and paste your HTML code. And that's it. Your HTML code has been successfully added to your ConvertKit landing page. So this is how to add HTML code in ConvertKit landing page. Like and subscribe if this helped.